everyone, welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and we're really excited to spend some time practicing real-life English with you today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we are talking about something very stressful, but also very relatable.
Missing the bus or train?
Oh wow, immediate panic already,
Very immediate panic.
because somehow missing transportation always feels dramatic,
Very dramatic.
especially when you are already late.
Oh no, that feels stressful already.
Then suddenly, everything feels fast,
Running,
looking at the time,
walking too fast.
pretending not to panic.
Very real situation.
Today we are talking about missing the bus or train in English.
Real English for real life.
Because sometimes learning English is not only about grammar. Sometimes you just want help without stress.
Very important goal.
Very important.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through natural conversations,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
okay, Sam, let's imagine something. Your alarm rings,
Okay, normal morning.
but somehow you accidentally sleep again.
Oh no, dangerous mistake.
Very dangerous.
Then suddenly, you wake up again and immediately think, wait, what time is it?
Big panic moment.
Very big panic.
Then maybe you start getting ready too fast,
Running everywhere,
looking for keys.
looking for shoes.
Somehow, nothing is where it should be.
Why does that always happen when people are late?
Honestly? Good question.
Then maybe you finally leave the house,
Fast walking.
almost running.
Very stressful energy.
Then suddenly, you see the bus.
Oh wow, hope arrives.
Big hope.
But wait, the bus starts moving.
Oh no, immediate sadness.
Very immediate sadness.
Then maybe you run anyway.
Hope running.
Desperate running.
But somehow, the bus still leaves.
That feels painfully real.
Emma question time.
Okay.
Emma, most stressful late moment.
Easy. Watching the bus leave.
Really?
Yes. Because suddenly, life feels unfair.
Fair answer.
Then maybe you ask someone, did I miss the bus?
Useful sentence, everyone. Did I miss the bus?
Repeat after us. Did I miss the bus?
Very useful real-life English.
Or maybe, I think I'm late.
Useful sentence, everyone. I think I'm late.
Repeat after us. I think I'm late.
Nice, simple English.
Then maybe somebody says, the next bus comes in 20 minutes.
Oh, wow. Long waiting sadness.
Very long sadness.
Especially when late already.
Very true.
Then maybe you go to the train station.
Big station energy.
Lots of people.
Big signs everywhere.
Somehow, still confusing.
Very confusing.
Then maybe ask, what time is the next train?
Useful sentence, everyone. What time is the next train?
Repeat after us. What time is the next train?
Very useful travel English.
Or maybe, which platform is it?
Useful sentence, everyone. Which platform is it?
Nice beginner English.
Emma, be honest. Have you ever missed something important because you were late? Wait, why are we talking about my secrets again?
Fair question.
One time, I missed a train, feeling very confident.
Okay, that sounds normal.
Then suddenly, I realized I was standing at the wrong platform.
Oh no, that feels painful.
Very painful.
Wrong and confident again.
Apparently, that is my personality.
Very consistent personality.
Thank you, I think.
Then maybe you ask someone for help.
Big, helpful moment.
Maybe say, can you help me?
Useful sentence, everyone. Can you help me?
Repeat after us. Can you help me?
Very useful English.
Then maybe somebody explains directions.
Serious listening moment.
Very serious.
Especially when everything feels rushed.
Then maybe there's a simple way to ask.
Directions can feel confusing.
Very confusing, especially when somebody explains everything very quickly.
Very, very quickly.
Suddenly, left becomes right,
Right becomes confusing,
and somehow everything feels stressful.
especially when you are already late.
Very true.
Then maybe ask politely, "Can you explain that again?"
Useful sentence, everyone. Can you explain that again?
Repeat after us. "Can you explain that again?"
Or maybe, can you speak more slowly?
Very useful travel English.
Repeat after us. Can you speak more slowly?
Nice, simple English.
Emma, question time.
Okay.
Most awkward station moment.
Easy. Running for the train and missing it by 2 seconds.
Oh wow, that feels painful.
Very painful, because suddenly you make eye contact with the driver.
Oh no, emotional damage.
Very emotional damage.
Honest question, have you ever run for a bus or train?
Sadly, yes.
Oh wow, what happened?
One time, I ran very fast, feeling very confident.
Okay, sounds hopeful.
Then suddenly, I reached a station, breathing very hard.
Okay, sounds stressful.
Then I realized, wrong station.
Wait, wrong station?
Very wrong station.
Wrong and confident again.
Apparently, that is my personality.
Very consistent personality.
Thank you, I think.
Then maybe somebody at the station says the train is delayed.
Oh no, waiting sadness again.
Very long waiting sadness.
Then maybe ask, how long will it take?
Useful sentence, everyone. How long will it take?
Repeat after us. How long will it take?
Very useful English.
Then maybe you finally find the right platform.
Big success.
Very big success.
Then suddenly, you see the train arrive.
Hope returns.
Big hope.
Maybe you finally sit down,
Best feeling ever.
especially after running.
Very true.
Then maybe someone asks, is this seat taken?
Very train feeling.
Very train feeling.
Then finally, you arrive.
Big success,
Maybe late.
but still successful.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Emma, question.
Okay.
Worst feeling about being late.
Easy. Looking at the clock every 30 seconds.
Oh wow, that feels personal.
Very personal. What about you?
Missing something important. Oh no, that feels stressful.
Very stressful.
But honestly, missing a bus or train can feel very stressful.
Especially when you are already late.
Or everything feels confusing.
But simple English helps.
Very true. You don't need perfect English.
Short sentences work.
Like, did I miss the bus?
What time is the next train?
Which platform is it?
I think I'm late.
Can you help me?
Thank you for your help.
Real English. Real life.
Confidence grows slowly.
One conversation at a time.
One small sentence at a time.
Even stressful moments help.
Sam a question.
Okay. Best missing the bus advice.
Easy. Leave earlier, check the schedule, and maybe set 2 alarms.
Very realistic advice.
Thank you. Thank you so much for spending time with us today, everyone.
We hope this conversation helped your English feel easier and more natural.
And maybe made missing the bus or train feel a little less stressful.
If you enjoyed learning with us,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
we will see you again soon.
Bye, everyone.